Hello, this is Latif Abdulsalam, Mr. Passionate. Today, I'm going to be showing you the components of a battery cage and its step-by-step installation method. This is a 6-unit battery cage from stand 1, which is the pole you are looking at, to pole 2, stand 2, that makes up a unit. From stand 2 to 3, unit 2. From 3 to 4, third unit. Stand 4 to 5, fourth unit. Stand 5 to 6, fifth unit. From stand 6 to 7, sixth unit. A unit is made up of 6 boxes. 3 on one side. You can call it 3 tiers on each side. 3 tiers, 3 boxes on the left and 3 boxes on the right. Each box is made up of 4 cells. And a cell, you can see, and a cell will consist of 4 beds. So if you multiply, we have 6 boxes that consist of 4 cells each. 6 times 4 making 24. 24 times 6, 144, times 4, which is the number of beds that is going to be contained in each cell, making 576. So the capacity of this 6-unit battery cage is 576 beds. Each unit will consist of 96 beds by calculation, because you have, if you multiply the number of boxes, which is 6 on a unit, times 4, which is the number of cells that we have in the box, times 4, the number of beds that we have in a cell. So you have 96. A unit consists of 96 beds, and 6 units, 96 times 4. That gives you 576. Good. Each box is made up of the component. We have the top, which is this, and we have the back, which is this. So these are called partition. We have the number of partition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a unit, in a box, we have 5 partitions. And this is called face. We call this face, and this is the door. You have the door, which you can open and close. So we have down here is the egg tray. That is the egg collector. When they lay eggs, the egg move forward on the egg collector. This is the feeder. You can call it, or you call it feed tray. And this is the nipple drinker. We have the nipple. This is the nipple. This is the nipple pipe. This is the wire that's used to bind, and this is the door. You have the bucket, which is the water container that is going to be supplying water to the nipples where birds can drink. So each feeder has a connector. It has a connector. This is the cover. This is the feeder cover, and we have the feeder connector. We have it here. This is the feeder connector. So we have I've mentioned it, we have the feed, the stand to connect this. When you want to fabricate, once you cast, you cut all this sheet. We call it net. So we have two different types of nets which are used to make a battery cage. We have the thick and we have the light one. So the one we have used here is the thick one because that is more durable compared to the light one. So you first of all cut the back and the top. They are cut together. Once you cut the back and top together, you have the egg tray and you have the partitions. You have every component, you have it on ground. So you pick the back and top which are together, then you join a partition, preferably the middle one. So once you put the partition, the next is the face. You put the face. So once you put the face, then you join the egg tray. So after joining that makes up a box. So once you complete all the boxes, you have them on ground, then you carry the stand. That means you have completed the assembly phase. That is the first procedure in the installation. After assembling, then you join together. Once you are done with assembling, the next phase is hanging. The next installation phase is hanging. You hang the boxes. You take a box, you hang it to two stands, from stand 1 to 2, which you can find here. So you hang the box, then the remaining boxes. After hanging all the boxes, the next is nipple installation. You install the nipple drinkers. So once you install the nipple pipes, you join using the PVC gum and your binding wire. You use them to join the nipples. Once you fix the nipples, then you move to feeder installation. After feeder installation, the next thing is connection. You connect the pipes to the bucket, which is the water container. So you have holding the water container is the holder. So you have the iron, which is holding the water container. The next phase is you are done with after doing all this, you are done with installation. The next thing which you are going to find in the next video, which is the second part of this, will be the connection of the bucket to the tank. There is going to be a tank that is going to be hung somewhere inside the pen, so which is going to be supplying water to all the cage, the battery cage in each row. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.